Hello everybody, Mobius1 here, bringing you the next episode of Undertale. We're kind of running away from Undyne Sands? I'm thinking about getting into the telescope business. It's normally 50,000 G to use this premium telescope, but since I know you, you could use it for free. How's about it? Use the telescope? Sure. This is going to be a bad joke. Huh? You aren't satisfied? Don't worry, I'll give you a full refund. Use the box? No, there's no reason to use the box. Yeah, there is. The bandana. We don't need the bandana anymore. What's a star? Can you touch it? Can you eat it? Can you kill it? Are you a star? This looks really cool. I like this area, and the music is chill AF. Yo, it's Mr. Nice Cream. I relocated my store, but there are still no customers. Fortunately, I've thought of a solution. Punch cards. Every time you buy an ice cream, you can take a punch card from the box. If you have 3 cards, you can trade them for a free ice cream. They're sure to get the customers to come back. Not now. I'm good. The ancient glyphs have been painted over with a list of 21 different flavors. You hear a passing conversation. So, don't you have any wishes to make? Just one, but it's kind of stupid. Uh-oh. Ow. It's a pair of ballet shoes. Will you take it? Sure. What do they do? Oh, it's a weapon. I mean, I'll equip them, but I don't really need them. What did I have before? The gloves? Tough glove. I don't know what the point of these are. Like, am I supposed to be turning these all off? Hello, this is Papyrus. Remember when I asked you about clothes? Well, the friend who wanted to know, her opinion of you is very murdery. But I bet you knew that already, and because you knew that, I told her what you told me you were wearing. A dusty tutu. Because I knew, of course, after such a suspicious question, you would obviously change your clothes. You're such a smart cookie. This way you're safe and I didn't lie. No betrayal anywhere. Being friends with everyone is easy. It's Washua again. That's good enough. Don't say that. Come on, I promise I won't laugh. Oh, it's Aaron again. We gotta flex. Aaron flexes twice as hard. Just keep flexing until he flies away, right? Darn. Okay, good. The power to take their souls. This is the power that the humans feared. What are these things? Oh my god. Hey there. Noticed you were here. Onion-san. Onion-san, you here? Okay. You're visiting Waterfall, huh? It's great here, huh? You love it, huh? Yeah, me too. It's my big favorite. Okay. Even though the water's getting so shallow here, I have to sit down all the time, but hey, that's okay. It beats moving to the city and living in a crowded aquarium like all my friends did. You want me to go? Do I go back this way? No? You just want me to keep walking this way? Do I have to, like, shake you off? I can't shake him! No, just keep walking. And the aquarium's full anyway, so even if I wanted to, that's okay, though. You hear? Undyne's gonna fix everything, you hear? I'm gonna get out of here and live in the ocean, you hear? Oh my god. Hey there, that's the end of this room. I'll see you around. Have a good time in Waterfall. What the hell is this game? What the heck is that? Shiren hides in the corner, but somehow encounters you anyway. Check. Attack 19, defense 0, tone deaf. She's too ashamed to sing her deadly song. Toot! Toot! Okay. Shiren pretends to be a pop idol. Conduct. You wave your arms wildly. You are now vulnerable to electric attacks. Hums very faintly. Alright. Do we hum with her? You hum a jazz ballad. Shiren follows your melody. Ugh! Shiren seems much more comfortable singing along. Okay, good. That wasn't so bad. The northern room hides a great treasure. I'll bite. What do we got? A haunting song echoes around down the corridor. Won't you play along? Only the first 8 are fine. There's a piano here. Play it? Sure. Yeah, but how do I... Cool. Only the first 8 are fine. I don't get it. This power has no counter. Indeed, a human cannot take a monster soul. When a monster dies, its soul disappears. An incredible power would be needed to take the soul of a living monster. There is only one exception, the soul of a special species of monster called a boss monster. A boss monster's soul is strong enough to persist after death, if only for a few moments. A human could absorb this soul, but this has never happened, and now it never will. Yeah, that's creepy as hell. It's a statue. The structures at its feet seem dry. Please take one. Take an umbrella? Sure. the umbrella on the statue. You place the umbrella atop the statue. Inside the statue, a music box begins to play. There it is. Okay. Circle up, right, circle down, down, right. 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 Yes! It's a legendary artifact. Will you take it? Sure. You're carrying too many... You're carrying too many dogs? The heck does that mean? Oh. Annoying dog. Dog, a little white. It's fast asleep. Where the hell did I get that? Dog res... What the hell is going on? Dog residue. Dog item. Shiny trail left behind by a dog. Yo, dude, that ain't dog residue. That's dog crap. Alright, wait, what? Did that say something different? No. But seriously, what was up with the dog? Can I take another umbrella? Sure. That's cool. Look at the reflection in the puddle. That's really cool. Yo, you got an umbrella? Awesome! Let's go! You take it. I don't want it. I mean, you could have taken one too. There was a bunch of in the bucket back there. Man, Undyne is so cool. She beats up bad guys and never loses. If I was a human, I would wet the bed every night, knowing she was gonna beat me up. Haha. Yeah, about that. But we're gonna befriend her, right? Like, this would be interesting to see how he reacts when we kill her. So one time, we had a school project where we had to take care of a flower. The king, we had to call him Mr. Dreamer, volunteered to donate his own flowers. He ended up coming to school and teaching the class about responsibility and stuff. That got me thinking. Yo, how cool would it be if Undyne came to school? She could beat up all the teachers. This kid's like gonna come shoot up a school? Maybe she wouldn't beat up the teachers. She's too cool to ever hurt an innocent person. Well, that's good to know. Is that the castle? Or is that where Undyne is? Why'd he stop? Sure, we'll put it back. Yo, this ledge is way too steep. Yo, you want to see Undyne, right? Climb on my shoulders. Alright, now I can pull you up. Yo, you go on ahead. Don't worry about me. I always find a way to get through. No, wait, I can pull you up. Kid, your face. How many times do I gotta tell you about your face? You gotta stop falling on your face. The humans, afraid of our power, declared war on us. They attacked suddenly and without mercy. In the end, it could hardly be called a war. United, the humans were too powerful and us monsters too weak. Not a single soul was taken, and countless monsters were turned to dust. The serene sound of a distant music box. It fills you with determination. Is this where we fight? I can't move. Oh God! I kind of want to explore a little bit here. Yo, it's getting faster. Oh crap, that's a dead end. Oh, this is gonna be a fight. Oh, get wrecked. Oh, crap, it's still going. I took my hand off the keyboard. Oh no, it's a dead end. She's gonna be standing in front of me. Oh boy. No! It sounds like it came from over here. Oh, you've fallen down, haven't you? Are you okay? Here, get up. Mobius, huh? That's a nice name. My name is... No! Who was that? Piles of garbage. There are quite a few brands you recognize. Just garbage. There has to be something in the garbage, right? No, I guess not. The waterfall here seems to flow from the ceiling of the cavern. Occasionally, a piece of trash will flow through and fall into the bottomless abyss below. Viewing this endless cycle of worthless garbage, it fills you with determination. Trash zone. Beat up desktop computer, the inside is empty. It's a cooler. It has no brand and shows no signs of wear. Inside are a couple of freeze-dried space food bars. Take one? Sure. Astronaut food. It's a DVD case for an anime. Desperate claw marks cover the edges. Seems like a regular training dummy. Do you want to beat it up? No. You stare into each other's eyes for a moment. Too intimidated to fight me, huh? I am a ghost that lives inside a dummy. My cousin used to live inside a dummy too. Until you came along. When you talked to them, they thought they were in for a nice chat. But the things you said, horrible, shocking, unbelievable. It spooked them right out of their dummy. Human, I'll scare your soul out of your body. What? Mad dummy blocks the way. See, I knew something about that dummy at the beginning of the game was going to come back. Mad dummy. Attack 30, defense yes. Because they're a ghost, physical attacks will fail. Foolish, foolish, foolish. Oh, he can hit himself. Okay. I got you. Hey you, forget I said anything about magic. He's looking nervous. Well, let's talk. You talk to the dummy. It doesn't seem much for conversation. No one is happy with this. Well, I don't actually want him to kill himself. Do I? Smells like a clothing store. What if I just mercy? Oh, no, no, no. What if I just mercy? I'll use your soul to cross the barrier. Ooh. An armless ska dance. Talk. Just talk, bro. No. Then everything I want will be mine. Mad Dummy is getting cotton all over the dialogue box. Mad Dummy's getting... Alright. Do I spare or do I just talk? I don't think he's gonna ever talk. What was their name again? Whatever, whatever, whatever. Pitiful, pitiful, pitiful. Darn it. I'm not gonna attack him. I don't even think attacking him would actually do anything anyway. Hey guys. Dummies, dummies, dummies. Remember how I said not to shoot at me? Well, failures. You're fired. You're all being replaced. Ha 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 ha. Now you'll see my true power, relying on people that aren't garbage. Mechanical whirs fill the room. He still won't talk. Dummy Bot's magic missile! Magic Dummy's doing an armless ska dance. Try again! Oh! You're awful! Yeah, they are. Final attack, alright. Ew, this is rather challenging. Oh, God! No way, these guys are even worse than the other guys. Who cares? Who cares? Who cares? I don't need friends. I've got knives. No, I need to heal. No, I need to heal. I'm out of knives, but it doesn't matter. You can't hurt me and I can't hurt you. You'll be stuck fighting me forever. Forever, forever. Ha 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 ha. Oh, he should have had an umbrella. What the heck is this? Acid rain. Oh, forget it. I'm out of here. That was actually pretty close. Oh no! Is Nostabluke? Nostabluke? Sorry, I interrupted you, didn't I? As soon as I came over, your friend immediately left. Oh no, you guys looked like you were having fun. Oh no, I just wanted to say hi. Oh no! Oh no! Well, I'm going to head home now. Oh, feel free to come with if you want, but no pressure. I understand if you're busy. It's fine. No worries. Just thought I'd offer. Alright. I think this is probably a good place to save. Hey, my house is up here, in case you want to see. Or in case you don't. Alright, you feel like calming tranquility. You're filled with determination. Alright. Quiet area. We'll wrap up this episode here. So, thank you guys again for watching Undertale. Mobius1 here, and I'll see you next time.